Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue many Disney Plus users encounter. The "please enter a valid email address" error. It can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll walk you through the steps to resolve this issue quickly. First, let's understand why this error occurs. It usually happens when Disney Plus doesn't recognize your email address or there's a problem with your account details. To begin with, follow these steps. Step 1. Check your email address. The first thing to do is double-check the email address you're entering. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces. Disney Plus requires a valid and correctly formatted email. Step 2. Account verification. If you're sure your email is correct, the next step is to verify your Disney Plus account. This can be done by clicking "Forgot Password" on the login page and following the instructions. It's possible that your account needs to be reactivated or verified. Step 3. Contact Disney Plus support. If the error persists, it's a good idea to contact Disney Plus customer support. They can provide specific assistance to resolve your issue. You can usually find their contact details on the Disney Plus website or app. Here are some quick troubleshooting tips. 1. Clear your browser's cache and cookies if you're using Disney Plus on a web browser. 2. Try using a different web browser or device. 3. Ensure your internet connection is stable. 4. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Disney Plus app. That's it. We hope this guide helps you fix the "please enter a valid email address" error on Disney Plus. Remember, it's a common issue, and there are usually straightforward solutions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.